Hey folks, this is Black Sheep Ninja. We'll be unboxing another HDMI splitter, but this time by Expert Connect. For more details, link is posted in this video's description. If you have previously watched my Astro AI splitter unboxing video, I had to return it due to the limitations it had, such as HDMI 2.0 and the HDCP 2.2 pass-through. Let's go ahead and inspect the box. These are the features I needed. Hopefully HDR is supported. Now let's go have a look. Seems to be nicely packed. Has quite a bit of weight in it. Let's have everything out of the box first. Looks like the last piece is the AC adapter. But no manual. I confirmed that on their website as well. Moving on to the unit. And here it is. Pretty self-explanatory here. We got some ED/ID switches for fun. At least they provided the dip setup chart, which the link is also found in the video description. And of course, some good metallic casing. That's it for this unboxing. I'll be testing this on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe for more. If you like this video, please hit the like button or comment down below. Once again, this is Black Sheep Ninja. Thank you for watching.